With increasing demands for exploring ocean mystery and developing seabed resources, an urgent requirement of offshore equipment with advanced technology and outstanding functions arises in the market. The saturation diving support vessel, Oriental Dragon, is such a state-of-the-art, capable of undertaking deep-sea missions all over the world. Oriental Dragon is invested by Jumeirah Singapore, jointly designed by Skip Stunkness and Shanghai Bestway, built by CSSC Huangpu Wen Chong. The vessel is registered in Liberia flag and certified in both CCS and DNVGL classifications. Oriental Dragon is a vessel with 124 meters in length, 24 meters in beam, 10.2 meters in depth, and 7.3 meters in full draft, with the accommodation facilities for 120 persons and 45 days endurance. There is a 900 square meters working deck of 2,000 tons loading capacity on the vessel. The design speed of the vessel is 14.5 knots. The vessel is equipped with two 1,600 kilowatt tunnel thrusters, two 1,400 kilowatt retractable thrusters, and two 3,200 kilowatt azimuth thrusters. There is one ROV moon pool and two diving moon pools located amidship. The total engine power is 14 megawatts to provide electric power for driving 6 thrusters of transiting or dynamic positioning. The vessel is designed with DP3 class. ERN number is 999999 and 93, which means that the vessel is able to work at sea condition of 6 meters wave height, 21 meters per second wind speed, and 2 knots current speed. In case of failure, she can withdraw from mission safely even under 50% power loss. Oriental Dragon is equipped with the most advanced integrated 24-men twin bell, 300-meter saturation diving system, which is designed and manufactured by the world-leading supplier DRAS Italy. The system consists of 4 DDC chambers of 6-man, 2 TUP chambers, 2 diving bells, and 2 hyperbaric lifeboats. During the diving operation, the divers are living in full closed hyperbaric environment. Helium-oxygen mixture is supplied for divers' breathing. The gas reserves on board are sufficient for 21 days continuous diving mission, with work shifts over 24 hours by 24 divers. The breathed gas is to be recycled and recovered by gas reclaiming system. After divers' entry into chambers, the chambers are sealed and then the pressuring procedure starts. Chamber status and parameters can be online monitored in the diving control station. After diver entering a bell for a diving mission, the bell lid is to be closed and the clamping device to be loosened. The bell handling system transits the bell to the moon pool and then lowers the bell down through the moon pool along the guide wires. Aeration system arranged in the moon pool works to reduce buoyancy of the bell. Each diving bell is launched through its respective moon pool. The 2 bells may work simultaneously in different water depth. Each diving bell hosts 3 divers. There are always 2 divers working outside and 1 diver staying inside the bell for backup. Umbilical cables supply breathing gas and heating water for divers. Meanwhile, set up video and voice communication with instructors in the control station of support vessel. Divers return to DDC chambers via diving bell after 6 or 8 hours working underwater. Appropriative escape trunks connect DDC and lifeboats. In emergency, divers may take direct evacuation from DDC chambers to hyperbaric lifeboats. Passive heave compensators equipped in bell launch and recovery systems reduce surge impact on diving operation effectively. Diving bell can be recovered via 4 different ways, respectively as bell winch, clump winch, and other bell and deck crane to guarantee divers' safe return from sea. The vessel possesses 2 sets of air diving facilities and 1 specific decompression chamber for diving mission at depth within 70 meters. Oriental Dragon has outstanding diving capacities. She is the world's first DSV equipped with both saturation diving system and air diving facilities. Oriental Dragon has a dedicated ROV hangar equipped with shipside LARS and moon pool LARS systems. The hangar is capable of holding 2 sets of 150 horsepower working class ROVs. The LARS systems have active heave compensation function and be able to operate ROVs at depth within 3,000 meters. The shipside ROV LARS combines the hangar door and A-frame together. The hangar door can be completely closed during operation, and it's an innovative LARS design, not only for saving space, but also improving safety. Under rough sea conditions, ROV can be launched through the LARS on the moon pool to make sure the operation is stable and reliable. The independent shipside LARS and moon pool LARS allow the vessel to operate 2 ROVs at the same time to obtain high efficiency. The equipment of saturation diving, air diving, and ROV handling. Oriental Dragon is capable of undertaking complex deep-sea missions of multi-targets and wide depth range in most weather conditions all over the world. One main offshore crane of 250 tons, 1 auxiliary offshore crane of 30 tons, and 1 provision crane of 5 tons are mounted on the deck. The knuckled main offshore crane has maximum working load of 250 tons in air. The crane remains lift capacity of 150 tons at the maximum working depth of 3,000 meters. This is perfect for seabed installation. The auxiliary offshore crane is certified for personnel lifting as well. The main cranes have the function of active heave compensation. An active anti-heeling tank system based on pumps is arranged for assisting crane operation. The helicopter deck located above the ship bow is adequate for landing Sikorsky S-92 or similar types. The layout of the bridge complies with standards of DNV, not AW notation, ensuring safety of navigation and mission operation. The vessel has 46 single rooms and 37 double rooms for totally 120 persons. Cabin's layout meet Maritime Labor Convention 2006, and vibration and noise level match Comfort Level 3 as standardized in class rules. Cabin noise is below 55 decibels. Elevator installed in the superstructure through all decks improves living and working conditions. ISPS system for personnel register and management can real-time track personnel, assist safety drills, and evacuation in emergency. One lifeboat of 120 person installed on each side of the vessel. Each boat is sufficient for evacuating the whole staff. Galley and mess room locates an accommodation area, adequate for serving all persons on board. Crews may give their spare time to recreational facilities like cinema and gyms. Tree trunk type anti-roll tank systems are installed in the hull to improve sea keeping for operation and living comfort. The machinery space is split into one forward and one afterward compartments. Each compartment contains two sets of 3,490 electrical kilowatts diesel generators for obtaining redundancy level of DP3. The vessel satisfies clean design rules and environmental protection regulations, qualifies to operate and sail in emission control areas all over the world. Oriental Dragon, with integrated new offshore technologies, is competent to undertake challenging deep-sea missions, such as survey, maintenance, installation, salvage, and rescue in most sea conditions. Oriental Dragon's successful delivery will greatly enhance Jumeirah Offshore's service capabilities in deep-sea engineering market. Meanwhile, it indicates that China is becoming a top player in design and building the most advanced high-tech offshore engineering vehicles.